Everyone thinks the best-selling Orbital sander is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Peachtree Dust Collection Hose. Let's kick things off with the Peachtree Woodworking Supply 10-foot-long dust collection power tool hose kit. I found this hose kit priced at about $36.21, which is pretty reasonable for what you get. The silly flex fit fittings caught my attention because they make connecting to your power tools a breeze. If you want an efficient way to keep your workspace clean while sanding, this is worth a serious look. So why does this hose matter? It features silly flex fittings, which means you won't have to hunt for the right adapter. Just stretch it around the dust port and you're good to go. This 10-foot hose is designed to connect easily with various power tools and workshop vacuums, ensuring you collect dust effectively. For anyone who hates cleaning up after a project, this is a game changer. Plus, with a 4.2-star rating from nearly 4,000 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its performance. Now, some people mention that the fittings can be a bit tricky to stretch for certain tools. Here's the thing though. If you're using it with compatible tools, it's a minor hassle that quickly fades when you see how much cleaner your workspace is. This is perfect for you if you frequently work on woodworking projects and want to maintain a cleaner environment. Skip this one if you need a hose that fits every single tool on the market, because it may not be universally compatible. Alright, if that slight fitting issue bothered you, the next product might be a better fit for your needs. Product number 2, MAXXD Electric Orbital Sander 5-inch. Next up is the MAXXD Electric 5 Random Orbital Sander. Priced at $149.99, this one caught my eye with its brushless motor and central vacuum capability. If you're looking for a powerful sander that also helps keep the dust at bay, this is worth considering. That kind of versatility means you can tackle various sanding tasks without needing multiple tools. The customizable speed control lets you adjust the RPM for different applications, which is super handy. Plus, the brushless motor is not just about power, it reduces vibrations, keeping your hands from getting fatigued during longer sessions. With a solid 4.1-star rating from nearly 500 reviews, it clearly works well for many users. However, some users noted that it can feel a bit heavy after extended use. But honestly, the performance and dust control are so good that I think it's a trade-off worth making, especially if you're serious about woodworking. This is a great choice if you want a sander that can handle a variety of tasks efficiently. Skip it if you're looking for something lightweight, as it's not the lightest option on the market. For its price though, this sander delivers great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something a bit different. Product number 3, MAXXD Electric Orbital Sander 6-inch. Now let's talk about the MAXXD Electric 5 Random Orbital Sander with a 6-inch disc. It shares a lot with its 5-inch sibling and also comes in at $149.99. If you're looking for something with a bit more surface area for your sanding needs, this could be the one for you. The 2-speed control is a standout feature again, giving you flexibility depending on the material you're working with. The EC brushless motor is efficient and reduces vibration, making it comfortable to use. With a 4.4-star rating from 195 reviews, many users appreciate its ease of use and dust control, which is crucial for sanding tasks. Some users have mentioned that the dust collection could be improved, as they still see some dust escaping. But here's the thing, I think if you're using it with a good vacuum system, you won't have that issue as much. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable sander that can handle larger surfaces effectively. Pass on this if you're only looking to do small touch-ups, as the larger disc might feel a bit excessive. Overall, it offers great value for its price tag. Now, if dust collection is a top priority for you, the next product is specifically designed to help with that. Product number 4, Galactic Gadgets dewalt Adapter 212-in. Let's check out the Galactic Gadgets vacuum hose adapter designed for dewalt sanders. At just $15.29, this handy little piece is essential if you want to connect your sanders to your shop vac effectively. If you're tired of dealing with dust clouds while working, this is worth your attention. It fits securely with various hose sizes, making it easy to switch between tools without hassle. The friction fit ensures a snug connection, reducing the chance of any dust escaping into your workspace. With a solid 4.3-star rating from 480 reviews, it's clear that users find it reliable. One downside mentioned is that some users found it difficult to remove after use. But honestly, that just means it's doing its job well, keeping that dust contained. A small price to pay for a cleaner workspace. This is a must-have if you own dewalt sanders and want to improve dust collection efficiency. Skip this if you need a universal adapter for multiple brands, as it's tailored for specific models. Alright, if that caught your interest, the next product offers a similar function but in a different size. Product number 5, Galactic Gadgets Dewalt Adapter 114 in. Last but not least is another adapter from Galactic Gadgets, this one sized for a 114-inch hose. Priced the same at $15.29, it's perfect if you've got different sanders in your workshop. If you want to maximize dust collection from your tools, this is something you should consider. Just like its 212-inch counterpart, this adapter is designed for compatible dewalt and Craftsman sanders, ensuring superior dust and debris collection. It makes for a quick and easy connection between the vacuum hose and your tools, making your sanding experience much cleaner. With an equally impressive 4.3-star rating, users love how it streamlines their workflow. However, just like the other adapter, some users noted it can be a bit snug when trying to detach it. But honestly, that snug fit means it's doing a great job at keeping the dust contained, which is what you want, right? This is ideal for you if you frequently switch between tools and need a reliable adapter for dust collection. Skip it if you're using a completely different brand of tools, as this is specifically for dewalt and Craftsman models. So we've covered a range of options that cater to different sanding needs and preferences. So there you have it. We've explored the Peachtree Dust Collection Hose, MAXXD Electric Orbital Sanders, and Galactic Gadgets Dewalt Adapters. Each of these products brings something unique to the table, whether it's versatility, efficient dust collection, or ease of use. Whatever your sanding needs are, there's definitely a solid option here for you.